This clip is about the importance of healthy soil in the garden. In organic gardening, everything starts in the soil. If the soils are healthy, the plants, like this tomato, can be an incredibly healthy thing, creating healthy fruits, and in turn creating healthy bodies when we eat those fruits. Remember, our whole existence survives on a thin layer of soil on the top of this planet. We nurture that soil, we can have a healthy future. We nurture that soil, we can have a healthy today. In my philosophy, we need to be feeding the soil and not necessarily feeding the plants, which would happen in chemical agriculture. We feed the soil, we create an environment where microorganisms, we create an environment where earthworms can survive, and we create an environment where organic matter, such as leaves in the fall, can rot and turn into this incredible, beautiful substance that we have been given on this planet to create the things we're looking for. Beautiful things, healthy, nurturing things that we can eat. But without soil, none of this is possible. Without soil, we might as well be living in a laboratory.